What's up, guys and girls? I want to make this quick video to show you the best and easiest way of cleaning all this corrosion off these battery terminals. Now, there's a lot of backyard tricks out there where they use Coca-Cola and baking soda. What the hell's wrong with people? What made somebody say, you know what? I'm going to try this Coca-Cola or this Pepsi and pour it up here and see if it... or some baking soda or some toothpaste. You people are crazy. All right, anyway. Anyway, the easiest way is go inside, get you a nice pot of hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling. Just get it right from the sink or faucet, whatever it may be. Get some hot water. Take it. Of course, make sure the key is off and everything. And you take the hot water, and watch this now. Watch this little trick. Nothing's in the water at all. No kind of salt or anything, and not mixed with no Pepsi. And you just pour it up there. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go over here to the negative one. Watch this. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Look at that. Go back over here. Now it's good to take the terminal, take them off before you come. Look at that. Look how nice and clean that. And I didn't even use the whole pot of water. I can use that, maybe some tea or something. All right. So we hope this little quick video helped you out. Again, stop putting Coca-Cola and all this stuff over there. If then everything gets all sticky and stupid. So just use some hot water and it will clean off. And the best way of doing it is removing it, because that way it gets the corrosion that's on the inside. As see as that one, you can still see a little tiny bit on the inside. So it's best to remove the terminals and doing it, but it's not necessary. So, and again, make sure your vehicle is off. I hope you guys and girls enjoying this tip. Stay tuned for more special trips from Astro Auto Repairs.